Aloha! This fundraiser is to support the Kapa'a Strummers Ukulele Choir. The funds will go towards our music workshop at Disneyland and the growth of our choir. We want to share the love of music. Today I will be playing One Love by Bob Marley and Surf by Kahu Creator Boys. Please enjoy! For your support. Please share this with as many music lovers as you know. The shirts are pretty cool. Mahalo!